So if you get that air, your shift system air, it's gonna be this right here. This is gonna be the link, and this right here is gonna be the shaft that connects to your transmission. So this is where your shift starts. The bushing on mine was completely missing. It had no bushing. This was off and I couldn't shift. I was stuck. Thankfully I was in park, but I couldn't shift into drive at all. I know some people get stuck in drive, but they can't put it in park. But the point is, this is the issue here. If you are stuck on the side of the road, just put this back in there temporarily and put it in drive or wherever, or if you're trying to just park it just enough so you can shift. That'll get you home at least. So this part right here, the bushing, I bought the first set. It was Thanksgiving when this happened, and I went to AutoZone because it was the only store open. I got 14041, one of these generic bushings. It would have fit, but it was a really tight squeeze. They're generic bushings, they're not universal, or they're just universal, they're not meant exact fit, but it did not fit right away on this piece and it went flying somewhere over there. But it's save yourself the trouble, guys. Just go to Ford directly. The piece itself costs $2 and some change. This is that part number for the bushing. There was a recall on older Fords, and what's it called? This is that fix. There's a cap. It's meant to stop dust buildup and dirt and grime and all that from getting in there and ripping the bushing out. So $2 and $2, and a lot of time saved because I couldn't get the generic bushing in there, and I freaking broke this off. I don't know how, so don't mind the fix. But yeah, save yourself time, stress, and yeah, this literally took me less than 2 minutes putting it on. So you flip this bad boy over, you flip it over this, thankfully it twists easily. I learned a trick from somebody else's video. You heat up water for about a minute, plop this bad boy in there, let the plastic get soft. I put some grease on there as well, lightly greased it, and then you flip it. There's a part here that has like almost like a washer looking thing. That's gonna be on the bottom. That's actually what goes bottom first, and then you pop this bad boy over. But yeah, this literally was less than 2 minutes. This one took me over 2 hours, and the piece is somewhere lost. Hopefully this helps. And yeah, again, save yourself time. $4.